Okay, so what we're going to do is a quick overview of tcpdump, which is a packet capture binary in Linux, and very useful for troubleshooting problems at the protocol or the packet level. If you're going to be a cybersecurity engineer, before you become a cybersecurity engineer, you need to be able to troubleshoot problems at the packet level. I repeat that. You need to be able to troubleshoot problems at the packet level. Spend your time as a network engineer. You're better off, or you're better served by doing that and learning how to troubleshoot at the packet level. You also need some programming experience in order to be a quality cybersecurity engineer. At least that's the entryway that I had into cybersecurity, and feel it's the best way to enter the industry. So, like I said, we're gonna use tcpdump, and we're gonna do tcpdump. Let's make sure tcpdump. This is moving slowly. tcpdump -w. We're going to write to a file, and we'll call it cyber defense contractors.pcap, and the interface we're going to monitor is Ethernet 0. I believe it's called Ethernet 0 on this machine. If not, it'll kick us out, and we'll find out what the Ethernet interface is actually called. Oh, I don't have permissions because it wants me to run it as sudo, which is fine. We can do that.